Hey everybody, this is Dustin and Dave, your RV specialist. Today we're in the RV repair shop and we're looking at a Keystone Laredo that has some water damage. And something that I wanted to show you, Dave's in the middle of starting to take off the roof, or the actual front cap, the roof molding. And what I wanted to talk about was the side moldings. So as you can see here, here was the edge, which is not even a quarter of an inch, that's keeping the water from penetrating the cap. And then you can see how here's this gap in between here, and you can see this front edge, which is almost an inch. So when you look at, like, say the moldings, for example, you see how the molding pretty much doesn't have anything at all on the side of the molding. So there's nothing really to prevent the water from coming in. It's only at the surface. And as you can see like this, I call it a camel hump. That's where the sealant that was applied to the molding wasn't even basically made contact with the wall or the wall surface. So it was kind of like rounded out here in different spots where it missed. So the only thing that was keeping water from getting inside was the little edge of the silicone. Once that failed, and of course this isn't the new sealant that was on there, once that failed, it allowed water to get into this gentleman's cap, which then caused all that wrinkling and damage that you see, and caused a lot of mold and fatigue. It also damaged the sidewall as well. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for more as we get this cap torn apart.